What's up, YouTube? For this video, it's going to be very different compared to the videos that I've done. Today I'm going to be doing 5 different hairstyles, featuring my hair. I'm not sure if anyone has done this. Actually, I'm pretty sure no one has. So the main basis of this is just doing 5 different hairstyles on my own hair. But I can't really do it here because it's not really, real material. So we're gonna have to make our trip to the bathroom. Alright, you see my hair, right? It's all like plain and basic and just kind of curly, as you can see. Oh, and also I just took a shower, so it's kind of wet. So just bear with it. It's actually gonna be needed for one of these hairstyles. So basically these types of hairstyles are gonna be kind of custom made. And I'm probably just gonna be showing you how to do it. Okay, so I'm gonna be doing this for you guys because this lazy bum over here is not gonna do it right. So here it is. All you need to do is just brush your hair back and then just do it all the way in the front. Make sure you get the front, but make sure you get the sidelines too, so that way you can be able to look so fresh on top of your head, and then you do it on the back of your head, and then you just gotta make it look so simple. Trust me, if you think it's not gonna be worth it, it's totally worth it. You're gonna look so hot. So this hairstyle is called the good looking style. So next, this hairstyle is gonna be a little bit complicated, but I think we can figure this out. Okay, now for this weird hairstyle that I do know, but it looks so ugly. So anyways, you're gonna have to grab like a width of your big hair in front of your head, your front hair, and after you're gonna have to use your brush to brush the width of your hair, and then you gotta make it a curve, so that way it can look like the ocean's wave. So just brush your hair back and then you should look good. Beauty tops everything. Now it's time to look fabulous and smile. Now this hairdo is called a mohawk, an 80s mohawk. You know how in the 80s when the boys used to the bad boys especially, used to have this big pointy hair? Yeah, I kind of look like that, don't I? Now this one, you don't really need a brush for this. Instead, you're gonna have to get either a hair tie or a rubber band, but in this case, it's gonna be a rubber band. Oh my god, this is gonna hurt so much. You guys are probably wondering what am I even gonna be doing, but you know what? Don't worry. The voiceover will tell you what I'm gonna do. And how dare you? I don't work for you. Ugh, oh my god, I don't even know what this hair is. You know what? Whatever. So this one, apparently, you need a whole bunch of rubber bands and just put it on top of your, just tie it around your little head. Grab a small width of your hair and just curl it around, and then grab a hold of it so that way you can put your rubber band on top of it. Not on top of it, but I mean tie it. Oh my god, I don't even know what's up with this guy, but I feel like he needs some help. Sadly, this is part of his idea, so I guess I gotta go with it. Okay, well, I spent really 15 minutes on just doing this, and I have about 10 hair rubber bands on my head, because look at me. It looks like I have little, oh my god, I just look weird. But I call this one the swag knot hairstyle. I know the name is a little off, but you know what? It kind of looks like it, right? I still look good. Okay, now this style of the hair will be a lot different because you're gonna have to need your hair fully dry, so that way your hair could be all poofed out. For this hairstyle, you're gonna need this and this. A hairbrush and a hair tie. Okay, this one's not too shady. All you gotta do is just, get your brush and then brush up all your big nappy hair. No offense to anyone who has nappy hair out there. And then after you get your hair all bunched out, then you gotta make sure you gotta put a tie around all your hair. And then, well, you should be really okay with this. Okay guys, as you can see, I kind of made a new style-ish. Well, not really, pretty much. I'm pretty sure other people have done this technical style, but I call this one the fro hairstyle. You guys are wondering where did I put it? It looks like that I haven't put the rubber band on, but I haven't. It's right here. Now this last one is the very last one, and I got my rubber band. So this last one is kind of similar to the afro style, but it's watch, I'm gonna show you. You gotta make sure that your hair is all wet. So if your hair is so wet, then you gotta brush it back, so that way you guys can understand this. Because if you don't, then you're gonna mess up and then you're gonna look like a humiliation. But it's just that for this hairstyle, you're gonna have to need it, I think. Whatever. Anyways, okay, now this one might be a little bit complicated. Actually, it will be a whole lot complicated. So for this one, you're gonna need gel, like the gel for your hair gel. And then after, put it on your front load of line hair, towards the middle of it, and then on the side of your hair, you gotta put it on the back of it. You gotta brush your hair back, your side lines, if you catch my drift. Because if you don't, then you gotta catch up. Like seriously, you gotta stop taking too long. Anyways, this will probably take him like a couple while, but you know what? He can fast forward, so he should hurry up. Wow, look at him. Now he can just do the pose. That is all I have for you guys today. Thank you all for watching this video of doing 5 different hairstyles. It's been really, really crazy. Kind of took a long time to effort this and to do the voiceover thing. But I hope you guys enjoyed. So I hope you're entertained. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and yeah. If you're new here, welcome to the channel. Stay productive.